afternoon, welcome. This is Neco year 2019 Civic Education Past question. Question number 4. Which of the following is a benefit of youth empowerment? Benefit of youth empowerment. When we talk of benefit, means merit of youth empowerment or advantage of youth empowerment. Now, when we talk of youth empowerment, it means young adult empowerment. So which of this is a benefit? A, creates opportunity for self-reliance. B, encourages financial recklessness. C, is a determining factor for youth's political career. D, is a means of giving involved in governance. E, promotes youth restiveness. Now, advantage of youth empowerment here is that it will create opportunity for self-reliance. Therefore, option A is correct, because encouraging financial readiness cannot be the benefit of youth empowerment. Then youth political career, it is not. And then being a means of involved in governance, it is not youth empowerment target. And then to promote youth restlessness is not an agenda of youth empowerment. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.